guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Kejriwal promises Delhi like policies in Haryana. Former Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal promised to implement Delhi-like policies in Haryana if the party voted to power in the state. In a series of ambitious promises vowing to duplicate the success of Delhi's governance model in Haryana, announcing that his party would provide free electricity, create world-class schools and healthcare facilities, and generate employment opportunities if given the mandate to form the government. Kejriwal, accompanied by Haryana AAP President Dr. Sushil Gupta, was campaigning in support of AAP candidate from Badshahpur Assembly constituency, Bir Singh Sarpanch. The first priority of the AAP government in Haryana will be to provide free electricity to all, declared Kejriwal, drawing comparisons to the existing free electricity scheme in Delhi and Punjab. He stated, just as the people of Delhi and Punjab enjoy free electricity, so will the people of Haryana. The ruling parties call me a thief for providing free electricity, but I ask the public, who is the real thief? The one who makes electricity expensive and loots you, or the one who makes it free? He challenged, urging people to consider their children's future when casting their votes. AAP is the only party that can bring down your electricity bill to zero, he added. Addressing local issues, Kejriwal promised to resolve Badshahpur's water drainage problems, construct new roads, and abolish the contract labor system for sanitization workers. We will improve the infrastructure and ensure water drainage and road repairs. Bir Singh Sarpanch, who has been tirelessly working for the community, is your representative. AAP's government will ensure your needs are met, he assured. The former Delhi CM highlighted the success of his administration in transforming the public education system in the capital. We built 700 worldwide class schools in Delhi, and even the rich now prefer to send their children to government schools, he said, urging the residents to support Bir Singh Sarpanch and promising that AAP would similarly transform the education sector in Haryana. Kejriwal also spoke about healthcare, claiming that the AAP had revolutionized Delhi's health sector. We built 500 Mohalla clinics, Delhi providing free treatment from RS5 medicine to RS50 lakh operation. Our vision is to replicate this model in Haryana, ensuring every citizen has access to quality health care. He emphasized, we have already provided over 45,000 government jobs and facilitated 350,000 private sector jobs in Punjab, Kejriwal stated, reinforcing AAP's commitment to job creation. The former Delhi CM recounted his experience of being jailed, suggesting that it was a politically motivated move by the central government. They wanted to break me by putting me behind bars for 5 months, but they don't know that I am a Haryanvi. They can break anyone, but not a person from Haryana, he declared, asserting his resolve. He likened his imprisonment to a test of fire and said, when Lord Ram returned from exile, Sita had to undergo a trial by fire. Similarly, I am ready to face the people and prove my honesty. Thank you guys for watching this.